there's a bird that's built a nest in that mailbox. You see him right there on the edge of the clothespin. The other day, the mailbox was half full of pine needles, so I took them out. Well, today, I saw a pine needle hanging out, and I'm watching, and there's the bird. That's what he's doing. He's building a nest in there again. Let's see if I can get a closer view. It's cute, but he picked the wrong place. I don't know. Did you see that? I don't know who's in for a more surprise, the mailman or the bird when the mailman opens the box to deliver the mail. Wow. I don't know what to do about that. I'm going to have to Google it, because birds are protected in the state of Texas. I don't know, maybe this cat right here has some friends on the outside. You got some friends on the outside, Shiloh? Just joking, folks. You saw it right here on Let's See It Please. Yeah, Shiloh's aimed right there at the mailbox there, so she can see what they're doing. See, there's a mailbox up there. She's pointed right at it, watching. Smart cat.